tech-enabled learning, tech-enabled skill development, all of the talent planning tools like traditional 9-box or performance review conversations, all of those functions, when they're managed by effective, efficient tools, make it so much easier, whether you're brand new to some of these concepts or whether you've been doing it in succession planning for decades. Bridge has done a great job integrating all of the different components of talent management. A few come to mind, like feedback, one-on-ones, goal setting, and integrate them into a seamless talent story so that, for example, when you get to the performance review conversation, it'll show you, hey, here's the story of what I've done over the past 6 months, year to be able to develop. And it's not just this flash in the pan of like, oh, calendar came, it's the greatest time of year again, it's performance review season. No, it's an ongoing process. I love using Bridge. I think it is a great tool to help those experienced, those new to these types of upskilling, leadership, and skills development, find an easy interface and an easy tool to be able to go, yeah, it's not just about managing the tool, it's about managing the talent that the tool represents. So how do we use this tool to really go, hey, this is a person's career and development, how easy it is to come up with and structure a plan so that that person can really benefit and be part of that conversation and that journey. So moving all this stuff out of old spreadsheets and clunky PowerPoints that didn't ever work and meetings about talent that focused more on the tool than actually the talent was such, past generations that we have to move past. And there's such great products in the market now that allow us to focus on the talent